for the first time, I'm doing something different. The next set of millionaires will be bettered in 2025. Trump's victory in 2024 brought new waves of millionaires already. I just discovered a way that will quicken your millionaire journey in 2025. This is a system not yet discovered by many. We're talking from 10 million naira and above. The new wave of millionaires have to be fast and swift in taking action. So what is this project that is going to make you becoming a multi-millionaire possible? It's called... Hi guys, this is Coach Seth, and for the first time, I'm doing something different from what I've always done. 2024 has come and gone. It has really been a great deal. Lots of us made the biggest achievements of our lives, and many of us made the biggest losses of our life. Or some of us are just in between. But what you should know is that 2025 has a lot to bring for us all. The next set of millionaires will be bettered in 2025. The question is not whether it will happen or not. We have seen how Trump's victory in 2024 US election brought new waves of millionaires already. There is no doubt about that. But the question you should be asking now is, how can I be part of this new wave millionaires? If you are not already a millionaire, or if you're already a millionaire and would love to earn more, I just discovered a way that will quicken your millionaire journey in 2025. This is a system not yet discovered by many. If you want to get your millionaire status quickly, when I say millionaire status, I mean multi-millionaire. And when we're talking about multi-millionaire, we're talking from 10 million naira and above. You should consider what I'm about to show you with great seriousness and act fast on it. The new wave of millionaires have to be fast and swift in taking action. You should be willing to act fast on the information you receive. That's what will make you stand out. Before I show you anything further, I would like you to know that this video is meant for educational purpose only. I do not consider myself as a financial advisor or a certified expert to tell you on what to do. However, I'm throwing more light on information that I've seen that has helped a lot of people and myself become the best version of themselves, and it is working. So I advise you make research on your own part so that you have more clarity on what I am showing you. So what is this project that is going to make you becoming a multi-millionaire possible? It's called the Sue Bison. The Sue Bison is an entire new project that is bringing shift in the crypto space. It's a project that is built on the blockchain. The Sue is a layer 1 blockchain. This simply means it is faster than any other blockchain in terms of transaction. It also means it is super easy to use. Anybody who is smart enough to dial a phone number on their phone can be able to work with it. It also means it's safe and secure to conduct transactions. The SUI platform is suitable for applications like games, finance, and real-time applications. Evan Chen is an American scientist who has a track record in the technological space. He is the founder of the Sue blockchain. Now, the Sue Bison project is the first of its kind. It's a community-driven smart project built on the Sue blockchain. The minimum you can use to get started and start benefiting from this project is 1 Sue. 1 Sue is around $5 or thereabout right now, with a minimum withdrawal of 1 Sue as well. When you get started with the Sue Bison project, there are lots of benefits that comes with it. And here are 6 ways you can earn money from this project. Number 1, through daily returns. Every day, you have a certain percentage that is being given to you once you're already a part of the community. It ranges from 1% to 4% of the total amount you have deposited in the community. The second way you earn income is through what we call speed boost. Your earning power increases by producing 2 times your current deposit. The third way is through the fast start bonus. If you recommend 2 persons within your first 24 hours of joining the platform, you are going to be earning 1 Sue. The fourth way you'll be earning is through what we call referral bonuses. The Sue Bison project has a 5-level referral bonus income. Your level 1 referral, you'll be earning 10% commission. Level 2, you'll be earning 5%. Level 3, 3%. Level 4, 2%. And level 5, 1%. Then the fifth way is through what we call the global pool. For every direct referral, you receive 1 share in the global pool. Shares are done weekly. To enjoy more shares, you refer many as possible and you enjoy more shares in the global pool. And the sixth way you benefit from this project is by earning what we call weekly salary. Your weekly salary is dependent on how much you deposit. It ranges from $25,000 to $7,000 weekly, and a lot of people are already benefiting from this already. You have known about this now. I know the question that will be coming in your mind right now is, how do I withdraw my money, or how do I get my money? It is simple. This is a very simple question. You withdraw your money in a very simple and super smooth way. You can simply do this with any wallet of your choosing using the SU wallet address, or you could simply use an exchange like Bybit, Binance to make your withdrawal. And before you go, here's another great catch on what happens when you make withdrawal. First of all, the minimum withdrawal is 1 SU, and when you place this withdrawal, 60% goes to the wallet, 10% goes to the global pool, 20% is redeposited to keep the system going, and 10% go to the SBT, that is the Subicin token. This is another token you will be earning as a result of participating in this project. If you are not already positioned to gain massively in this bull run, then the Subicin token is a token you will not like to miss, especially in times like this where Donald Trump is a pro-crypto president. A lot of young people have already started benefiting from this project. As you can see on the screenshot, you can see evidence of how much they're already earning or making from this project already. So to get started with this project, you should join my Telegram community. That is where I'm going to be showing you the steps, and I'm going to be putting you through on how to go about starting. You should check below in the link description. You are going to be seeing the link to the Telegram community so that you can be able to join and get started immediately. Or if you have any challenges accessing the Telegram community, you should send a DM to this number, and I'm going to be putting you through on how to go about the Subicin project. I can't wait to see you start earning your first $100 to $200 or even $1,000 on this Subicin project. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.